Welcome to G Fun Facts Online. Today, we're diving into a revolution that's about to redefine overnight travel for over 1 billion people. Forget everything you know about sleeper trains in India. A new dawn is breaking over the vast network of Indian railways, and its name is the Vande Bharat Sleeper. This isn't just a new train. It's a monumental leap in engineering, comfort, and speed, born from a unique two-pronged strategy combining India's own manufacturing might with a landmark Indo-Russian collaboration. Let's unpack how this ambitious project is set to make the iconic Rajdhani Express a thing of the past. The story of the Vande Bharat Sleeper begins with its predecessor, the Vande Bharat Express. Launched in February 2019, this semi-high-speed chair car train, initially codenamed Train 18, was a sensation. A proud product of the Make in India initiative, designed and built by the Integral Coach Factory, or ICF, in Chennai, it completely changed the game for inner-city travel. With its modern look, high speed, and superior amenities, it captured the nation's imagination. As the Vande Bharat network expanded, connecting cities with journeys under 10 hours, a glaring gap became obvious: the overnight travel experience. The existing sleeper trains, even the premium Rajdhani Express, were reliable but built on older technology and design philosophies. The Vande Bharat platform, with its distributed power system allowing for faster acceleration and deceleration, was the perfect foundation to reimagine the long-distance, overnight journey. The vision for a sleeper version, first conceptualized as Train 20 back in 2018, was to create a train that didn't just reduce travel time, but offered a level of comfort and luxury that would set a new global standard. This led to a fascinating dual approach. Instead of putting all its eggs in one basket, Indian Railways decided to foster both international collaboration and domestic innovation simultaneously. This ensures a rapid, large-scale rollout of these new trains, while also building a powerful, self-reliant manufacturing ecosystem for the future. At the heart of this strategy is a massive Indo-Russian alliance. A contract to manufacture 120 of the first 200 Vande Bharat sleeper train sets was awarded to a consortium of India's Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, or RVNL, and Russia's leading rolling stock manufacturer, Transmash Holding, known as TMH. To manage this colossal project, they formed a special joint venture named Kinet Railway Solutions. Their mission is clear: manufacture, supply, and crucially, maintain these 120 trains for a period of 35 years. The partnership structure is a 70% stake for TMH's subsidiary, 25% for India's RVNL, and 5% for another Russian firm. After some initial negotiations, this structure was finalized, paving the way for the project to move forward. The numbers here are staggering. The total contract value is approximately $6.5 billion US. About $1.7 billion of that is for manufacturing the trains themselves, and a massive $4.8 billion is earmarked for 35 years of maintenance. This long-term commitment shows that this isn't just about selling trains. It's about a deep, sustained partnership in India's railway sector. This collaboration is a cornerstone of the Make in India initiative. It involves a significant transfer of technology and expertise from Russia. TMH is bringing its vast experience in high-speed train manufacturing to the table, contributing to the design, engineering, and production. The goal is to build a domestic supply chain for high-tech railway components, with TMH committed to maximizing local production. Of course, in today's geopolitical climate, challenges arise. U.S. sanctions against Russia and TMH raised initial concerns about potential delays. However, Kinet Railway Solutions and the Indian government have been firm, stating that the project will proceed as planned, underscoring the strength of the Indo-Russian strategic partnership. The physical heart of this Indo-Russian venture is the Marathwada Rail Coach Factory in Latur, Maharashtra. This enormous facility, spread over 351 acres, is being transformed into a world-class manufacturing hub. It's being upgraded with the latest tools and technology to produce the Vande Bharat Sleeper coaches. But this factory is more than just a production line. It's a catalyst for socio-economic change. The Marathwada region has historically been one of Maharashtra's less developed areas. This project is projected to generate over 10,000 jobs across the entire production chain, providing a massive boost to the local economy. It's expected to create a whole ecosystem of ancillary industries, encouraging a shift from agriculture to industry and helping to curb migration to overloaded urban centers. The factory itself is being designed as a model of modern, sustainable manufacturing. It will have 11 advanced assembly stations, specialized workshops, and an 8.6-kilometer internal track for trials. It will also feature its own solar power plant and wastewater treatment facility, with plans to plant over 1,000 trees on site. The timeline is ambitious. The first prototype from the Latur factory is expected to roll out by June 2026. After testing and certification, full-scale production will begin, aiming to produce 920 sleeper coaches in phases. Kinet will also develop 3 dedicated maintenance depots across the country to support these new trains. But that's only half the story. While Kinet is gearing up in Latur, a parallel project is already in full swing in southern India. Here, a consortium of a public sector undertaking, BEML, and the original Vande Bharat creators, the Integral Coach Factory or ICF, are building their own, fully indigenous version of the Vande Bharat Sleeper. This dual-track approach is a masterstroke. It creates healthy competition, drives innovation, and accelerates the overall modernization of India's sleeper fleet. And what's fascinating is that the two versions are developing distinct personalities. The BEML ICF train, whose prototype has already been unveiled, is on a faster timeline. Its design is striking, with a front fascia inspired by the